Hey guys, today I'm here to complain, but welcome back to the channel. This is the Random Podcast with K, right? So, guys, I've been noticing something happen on our YouTube channel, right? We just posted a video recently, and guess what happened? The views dropped, the likes dropped. And we're a small channel. This is a small channel, it's not extremely huge where we could ignore like all of the tiny likes or just any amount of it, right? So I had a look at our likes and views on our channel yesterday when we published one of our latest videos, and I saw that YouTube started taking away the views from it and the likes as well. So I was like, wait, why is this happening? It happened before twice as well. So let's just break it down to you guys, all right? So we are small creators, everyone here on this channel. We're not like extremely big or anything of the sort. You know what it is. If you're a small channel out there and you're trying to make it out there and YouTube is just like crushing you for some reason. And one thing I've noticed is that YouTube keeps on favoring these humongous creators out there, right? And it doesn't matter how much of work you put into your videos. As they say, release 100 videos at least and then you'd be feeling good about it. But I'd be contradicting myself over there because we just made a podcast talking about how we grew on YouTube. But it's not about that. It's about the views that I'm actually complaining about you and how YouTube is removing it. Because I've went through, we do all of those things. We create the thumbnail, we make it as crystal clear, we add all of the fancy tags in the videos, we look at things like the search engine, and we create content around that. But for some reason YouTube still feels like they need to demotivate us in every single way possible by taking our likes away as well as our views. And it's not, as I said, the first time. The first time I noticed it was when we published our video on Halloween. That video skyrocketed in the first hour. It started growing like crazy. And all of a sudden, a few hours later, what happened to it? It dropped. The performance of it just went downhill. So we tried checking it out again. Same thing happened on another video and our latest one. So I don't know if YouTube is just running this thing where they favor all of the big creators, as I said, and us smaller guys have to really fight to get out there. So making the best content out there and competing with someone bigger, it's not easy, You put hours into your videos. I'm sure you guys put hours into your videos as well. And if you are a small creator out there, come on, let's comment on this video. Let's see who else is having this problem where YouTube is not showing your video to people and they're taking away your views, your likes, and all of those things. It's a lot of demotivation going on. But we still push at the end of the day because we want to grow as creators and content creators that inspire other people and make stuff that just blows your mind, So yeah, that's basically what I want to be talking about more. And the thing is, it's a competition out there. We all know YouTube is like overly saturated. So what's actually going on with our views? Why are they taking it away when you're getting the few that you get? So like all in all, it's crazy to think that as hard as you try, the platform itself tries to push you down and demotivate you. But that's the challenge, That's the challenge of being a content creator in a extremely challenging and competitive field like YouTube. So as much as we put out work out there and the harder we try and still our views get taken away and our likes, we will still continue to push and make more videos. We'll keep striving to be up there because why not, And I'm not just talking for myself, guys. I'm talking for you as well, the people watching this podcast episode. I know I'm on a little rant over here, but it's cool. It's some things that you don't see out there. These are all of the things that happen behind the scenes. And, it kills something inside of you, but it's also exciting at the same time because remember, this is all just a challenge. And if you can make it through and accomplish that one goal, which is to reach the audience you need, and to reach the amount of subs you need or views. All good and well. Yeah, YouTube can, you can take our views, YouTube. It's fine. Wait, don't do that. I take it back. Don't take our views away. But yeah, you get what I'm saying, guys. Yeah, so I think that's about it for this episode of Random BS with K. I'll be making some more later on, and trust me, they're not going to be about complaining and stuff like that. But guys, if you are experiencing something like this, then mention it. As I said, let's see what your problem is, because you might be having the same issue as us. I don't know if it is luck that gets your video viral or anything of the sort, because as I said, we've been making the best videos possible. We put the editing to the T. We have the best thumbnails. We add the tags in, as I said. And still, what happens to our videos? They're not getting pushed up there. Instead, they start to get pushed up there like TikTok, where your video goes out there, a few people see it, and then they cap you. They stop you immediately. So I don't know if that's what's happening with YouTube, and then they start seeing that you're getting a lot of views and they take it down with the likes just so that it doesn't reach a higher audience, that click rate nonsense thing. I don't understand it that well, but I'm just saying, it's a completely different topic. I just wanted to complain about YouTube here, and that's what I'm doing. That's all this is for. That's about it. See you in the next episode, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, eh?